Good morning, it's Wednesday, January the 13th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show, bringing you the best press releases along with the halts at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Folks, I got two great press releases for you, both out of the Canadian side, both out of the resource sector, nothing out of the U.S. side, no halts to report on. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called New Dawn Mining Corp. They trade on the TSX. That's the big board under the symbol ND. Disclaimer time, they aren't a AGORACOM client. However, as you'll see, this news definitely stands on its own 2 feet. New Dawn is reporting gold sales from its Turks mine in Zimbabwe for the quarter ended December 31st, 2009. We've got a whopping 43% increase in gold sales for the quarter. Gold sales were just under $4 million for the quarter ended December 31st, 2009, as compared to $2.77 million for the previous quarter, which ended September 30th, 2009. Once again, that's a 43% increase in gold sales. In terms of actual production, they had 3,239 ounces of gold produced for the quarter ended December 31st, 2009, and that's as compared to 3,064 ounces of gold produced for the quarter ended September 30th, 2009. That represents an increase of just under 6%. The difference in the price, why their sales were so high, is obviously because the price of gold has been rising in recent months. So the average price for gold during the most recent quarter was $1,101 as compared to $956 for the quarter ended September 30th, 2009. A little bit about the company. New Dawn is a Zimbabwe-focused junior gold company currently expanding gold production at its Turks and Angeles mines, exploring for gold and identifying, pursuing other development projects, as well as actively assessing other value accretive acquisition opportunities in Zimbabwe. Company's last at $1.35. High of $1.85, low of 15 cents, market cap of approximately $39 million. Congrats to the New Dawn team. And Richard, great news coming out of New Dawn this morning. Moving on, Uracan Resources, they trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol URC. The company is announcing assay results from the last 6 drill holes from the 15 drill hole program completed during its summer 2009 diamond drill program at its 100% owned North Shore project in Quebec. We got some great numbers coming out of Uracan this morning. They've had a total of 4,100 meters drilled in 15 diamond drill holes, which were completed from June to September 2009. The company is announcing that their summer drilling objective was achieved by expanding the double S mineralization to the southeast. Now I've got some highlights. All intercepts have intercepted significant mineralization. The highlights include hole number 102, which returned 53 meters of 101 parts per million uranium. Hole number 99, which returned 30 meters of 134 parts per million uranium. Hole number 101, 26 meters of 127 million parts per million uranium. And finally, hole number 97, which returned 22 meters of 128 parts per million of uranium. Now, a little bit about the company. They're in the business of exploring and developing bulk tonnage near surface uranium deposits, and this is the case right here. It's bulk tonnage near surface uranium deposits with 2 100% owned Canadian projects. So far, the company has only 40 of 1,000 square kilometers explored on the Quebec property, so obviously there's a lot more exploration to be done. Uracan has discovered over 40.7 million pounds of uranium since 2006, and once again, that's only on 40 of 1,000 square kilometers explored. There's a lot more exploration to be done. Company's last at 27 cents. High of 48 cents, low of 17 cents, market cap of approximately $24 million. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. Make sure to join us again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.